Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select interface language on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Go to the third section, the other. Click to the first button, the interface language, and you can select different language and you can download. Just select one, for example the Hungarian. Click to the circle icon and click to the arrow, and you can download and you can use the language. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.